In this video I'm going to show you how to use electrical stimulation to work on stretching and opening your thumb up in preparation for getting around an object and grasping. So for electrode placement, I'm just using one lead. I've got one electrode on my wrist, just above the bony bit on my wrist. I've got the second electrode on this fleshy bit around my thumb, which is around here. So you'll notice that mine has got the edges cut off, and the reason being the electrode will stimulate any muscle underneath it, and if it stimulates here or underneath here, I'll get different movement because there's a lot of different muscles running through the thumb. So too much over here, my thumb will go there. Too much down here, my thumb will just pull in. So that's why I've trimmed it just with a pair of normal scissors, obviously not cutting the wire, so I'm cutting down the edges. And then you may need to play around with placement of this. If I have it too far round that direction, I'm likely to get my thumb going over there. Too far underneath, I'm likely to get my thumb pulling down. So that can take a bit of practice. Just make sure the edges are stuck down well. So I've got our SaeboStim Pro, and I've got it on program 1, which is for upper limb strengthening. I've already turned it on. So I'm just going to turn the stimulation up. Okay, so I'm happy with that. I don't want to pull it out too much and force this, but you can see it's stretching the thumb away from that's the stimulation there for my index finger.